Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie. I'm Mixed Up Vegan. Okay, so boom. So y'all know me. If you've been subscribed for a minute, you know I love me a good Sunday dinner. It's the way I was raised. Like a lot of people, it's a special meal or whatever. And I'll always be like that. Like sometimes I'll be like, I'm finna have me some tacos on Sunday. But like this Sunday, I was like, no, I have something nice. And I was craving like a curry situation. And I've made this before. It's like low key in my little vegan cookbook. I need to like, I'll let y'all know when I relink it. Like I took it down, but I'm gonna put it back up. But I had to have some little more. I wanted a full Jamaican meal. I didn't film everything, but I did film this Jamaican curry mutton, and it was so good. I mean, I made it for my cookbook, then I made it for Christmas because my cousin asked for it, and I forgot how good it is. So if you want to see how I made a vegan Jamaican curry mutton, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so if you're not a vegan beef babe or a vegan meat babe, or you don't do soy, I feel like potatoes will work really well. I do a curry potato pretty often, like 2 to 3 times a year. I don't know, girl. And I think that's pretty often because I like to eat different stuff. So like 2 to 3 times a year is like kind of a lot. And I think it works really well. I love to make it for my grandma because like every time she come around me, she's like, I'm not vegan. I'm like, girl, I know you're not vegan. So I make her something familiar, a little curry potato. And she'll be like, from me, mom, I never know she can curry potato. I'm like, girl, you learn something new every day, don't it? But I'm going to with seasoning of my choice, sazon, adobo, black pepper, garlic powder. You know to use. I'm gonna put a little bit of curry powder because I'm gonna use a lot later. Well, I wish I used more low key, but I'm gonna use some later. A little bit of onion, some ginger, and some garlic. There's ginger, there's a garlic. Okay, and that's it. You put it to sit. I would have done so much longer, but like, I don't know. I didn't really plan it out well, but I feel like overnight will be tea. Oh my God, it'll be tea, but definitely like, you know, a little hour, a little 30 minutes, something. Okay, so what I'm doing right here is called burning the curry. You want to put enough oil to cover the bottom of your pan. And then you want to burn your curry. Now this is a little bit too dark. Really burning the curry just means that like you cook it in the oil for like 30 seconds to like a minute and a half. I heard if you don't do this, your belly will run. I ain't gonna hold you. I taught myself how to make curry like when I was younger, like 9, 10, because don't nobody be teaching me nothing. They just expect you to know it. And then I made it one day. My grandma was watching me. She was like, you have to burn the curry. You have to burn the curry. You're going to run your belly. And I was like, what? Girl, it's been years. So now that's the way I do it. I always burn the curry. But I just want to say, like, ain't nothing happened to me. Okay? So I stood it around. I let it get some color. And now I'm finna add my green seasoning. Okay, so I think the recipe said something completely different. Like, I think I put the green seasoning in on the marinade. Honestly, it was fine both ways, so do whatever your heart desires. This green seasoning, okay, the one in the video is a mixture of épices and sofrito, because I just have, like, I need to start writing what is frozen in the bag. Like, why don't you do that? They literally have a space on the bag that tells you what to write, and I just started doing that like a couple months ago. I'm so trifling sometimes, like, so I don't know, but I put a green seasoning recipe. Okay, so the bowl in which I had the curry stuff, I added my water to that, you know, swish it around because, you know, reduce, reuse, recycle. And I put that in there. I put a country pepper in there. You know, I mean, sometimes I'll be extra Jamaican because I'll be having these peppers frozen in my fridge. I can just like take one out. Like the rice and peas I made last Sunday, gorgeous. I'm really my rice and peas era. Okay, I let it cook down for like 45 minutes. Here you go. You see it there? See it there? Yeah, you can't tell me. Don't talk to me. Like, here go my plate from a Sunday. Don't ask about the mac and cheese. Remember that pretzel video I did, the leftover cheese? I like finessed that. I added some stuff to it. It came out real good. I made some coleslaw because I like coleslaw. And I got rice and peas because you got to have something to sop up the gravy. And I washed it down with this. Be freaking serious. And don't talk to me about 2 carbs. It was Sunday. It was the Sabbath. Okay? And it was very good. That mac and cheese, I wish I could recreate it because I really just like... Oh, I kind of did my big one on that because I had the leftover cheese sauce. And then I like added like the Trader Joe's vegan cream cheese because it's a little tart. And I added some more stuff. Oh, I kind of did my big one. It's a little beige, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. Anyway, let me know what you think. Listen, if you're not Jamaican or you're not from the Caribbean, I really encourage you to try. Like, I feel like a lot of people like Jamaican curry. I see there's like a whole section of like Caribbean stuff. at like my local Kroger. So I feel like wherever you are, you can find it. Like if you try it, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. I named like 7 videos in this thing. You know what I'm saying? Like check them out. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.